Let's take a look at ETD30, making a Linux virtual machine. This should be pretty easy. You'll need a hypervisor. Pardon me, the VMware links here are not going to work, but I did put a working VMware link here. To get a copy of VMware from a different source, Broadcom has blocked the official DNS link, so you'll have to go to this alternate place to download VMware. And once you've got it, you can then just download and import a Linux virtual machine. What I do is just get a pre-made Debian machine. It's the easiest way to get one, and you can use Debian 11 or Debian 12. Just get the VMware image, and you probably want this one with the desktop. Most people don't like headless servers with no GUI, although I like them, but either one is fine. You just download the thing, and then unzip it and use it. Now, if you're using a Mac M1 or M2 or M3, then there is not a pre-built machine for the ARM installation, so you'll have to go here and get an ISO file and then go through the installation process for an ARM machine. And if you need help doing any of these things, I can, of course, help you in the help session of any of my classes. So that gives you a Linux virtual machine. So let me get mine going here. I've already got one on this Mac M1. Here's a Debian 12, for example. And I used the headless server. It's probably worth mentioning this. When you use a virtual machine of any kind, there's always the problem, how do you move files onto and off of that machine? And you could, if you have a desktop, you can try dragging onto the desktop or copying and pasting, and that relies on VMware tools, and VMware tools often fails. So I've just got tired of that nonsense. I don't use it anymore. What I do is this. I just get the IP address of my machine, which you can see here. It's 192.168.121.139, and then I just connect by SSH. I got used to this. This is what you have to do to use cloud machines, and you might as well just use it all the time. It's a good habit. So I SSH Debian, which is the username, at that address, 192.168.121.129, and now, it's 139, that's why, okay. There we go. So now I say, yes, I want to connect. I give it the password, which is by default Debian. You can change it. And now I'm in, and now I can just copy and paste into here to move text out of the machine. And if I want to transfer a file, I can use an SCP client. So I never type directly into here. You can't copy and paste into this terminal, the console page. So I use this. You can copy and paste into the SSH window. This is the best way to control a Linux virtual machine. It's not bad for Windows either if you're willing to settle for the command line, but unless you're really good at PowerShell, most people prefer to have the GUI on Windows machines. Anyway, that's what I wanted to show you about this project. Let me stop this one.